Hey boys and girls, are you ready for some help with lesson 3 of level 9? I'm going to start calling them levels now. I think it's better than bubbles, don't you? Lesson 3, level 9, okay? All right, let's get into it. Let's look at what it says. It says the author of this page added in a lot of content, but did not think about the structure. Now, the structure would be, if you have titles at the top and then you have a block of text underneath it, then you have maybe another title and then more text. So it's a way to organize your information, because if you look at it right now, if you look at the way the website looks, it's just a big block of text. And if you read it, you realize, well, that's not really making sense, because if you start at the beginning and say, my pets, I have 3 different pets, that just doesn't sound right? So you can see in the workspace that they set it up for you. They actually give you clues how you should do this, because you can see my pets is on a line. Actually, if we turn the inspector on, you'll be able to see the line my pets is on a line all by itself. And then you have a block of text, then you have another word, then another word. So it's telling you that these things should be like labels, like titles, like big text at the top. And then like this one should be in a paragraph tag. Okay, so how do we take that first line, line 6, how do we take that line and set it up as a title of our page at the top? Well, we're going to put it in, use one of our H1 or H2 or H3 tags. I'm going to go with here, H1. And remember, if you open one before those words, you have to close with that same tag, right? Oops, I just did the wrong one, right? It needs to be H1. There, now you can see what that did in the website. Now I have a website that's going to be all about my pets, right? Then I'm going to want to make sure to, on line 8, to put the opening paragraph tag. Let's turn the inspector off for now. And then we'll put a closing paragraph tag at the end. Now you can see what that's doing. That is giving what's called structure to my website. Okay, it's putting titles, and then it's organizing bits of information as we go down, right? And the workspace is really giving you a lot of clues about that, the way that they wrote it out with all this blank space in between the words and the blocks of text. So I want Lula to be, Lula's obviously the name of my dog, right? And then I have Slowpoke the turtle, and then I have Hamster, but there's no, then look, and then Hamster, Hamster is the name of his fish, right? So we have name and animal. Okay, let's look up here. Name on line 16 and animal on line 18. Then up here on line 10, we have name and then animal. So we want to give this a consistent structure, right? So why don't we try something like H3, and then we can always check out what it looks like and change our mind. But let's look at this. Yeah, I like that. Lula, that's nice. And Lula is a dog. So let's try H4 around dog. Oops, you can see I messed that up. H4, and then let's close that. Okay, now how does that look to you? I think that looks nice. We have my pets, and then a little description, then Lula, my dog, and then we want to make sure to put the paragraph around Lula, and like that. And look at that, that's starting to look nice, right? Okay, so follow my example. I want you guys to work on trying to figure this out. I've given you huge boost now to try and finish this level because I've showed you how to do it. So now say I have Lula and dog, lines 10 and 12, and now do line 16 and 18, Slowpoke the turtle, just like I did Lula and dog. And then make sure to put the block of text in its paragraph tag. And then do the last set of lines the same way I just did it. Okay? So use H3, H4, or whatever looks good to you. If you want to use bigger or smaller headings like right here and right here, you can. This is just the way I did it. So if you want to do it just like I did it, cool. I will see you in the next level, in the next video. Good job.